Hello you guys. Today I'm going to show you guys really quick how we can set up a USB drive for storage on our Mac. So you may have gotten a USB drive. In this case, I got this USB drive to use for storage as like AI models and stuff. And you might notice you cannot add data into it. Like if I try to drag this folder into it, it doesn't work, and there's no option to add things. This might not happen with all USB drives, but it has to do with the file formatting. So this one came formatted as NTFS, or a Windows New Technology File System. So the easiest way to fix that is just you can right click on the drive and click Erase Disk and select APFS or exFAT are usually the ones you'll be using. exFAT will work on any system and APFS will work on Apple. And I'm going to use APFS because it's a little bit faster on Mac. So if you're only planning to use it on Mac, I'd go APFS. If you want to move data between a Windows and a Mac, I would use exFAT. However, I am going to show you guys how to do that on terminal. So just erase and change it there. But it's important to be able to find our USB drive from terminal. So I'm going to take that test folder into the trash because there's nothing in it. But if we go to desktop, because normally you would expect it to be in desktop, so I'm going to change directory CD into desktop. And if I ls, it's not there. So what is going on? What's actually happening is I have to go to slash and hit here. Oh, I'm sorry, CD slash. And then if I ls CD into volumes, and then ls again, that is where this SSK drive is going to be stored. So I can try to CD into it, and I can see it, but there's no files, and it just says system volume information because we can't access it. So I am going to CD back to my users and my username so that we can change the formatting. So to do that, first I need to find out what drive it's mounted to. And the easiest way for us to do that is just we type in disk util list, and we can see all of our drives, and it is right here mounted on disk 4. So that's important. You're going to want to check where it's mounted. And again, this is only if you want to do it through command line. Easiest way is here and erase. But if we do it in command line, we get to know exactly where it is. So now to change it, all I have to do is type in disk util erase disk APFS. So right here, after typing in erase disk, I type in the file's type that I want, and then I add the name that I want to give it, and I'm going to call it AI Kit. And then I have to add disk 4. And right there, it'll format. And now we will be able to, if I change directory into volumes, ls, I see AI Kit is right there. If I change directory, AI Kit ls, I am actually in a directory. So now if I open it up, I can add a folder and it'll work just like a normal USB. So the important things to remember is going to backslash to find it. Don't expect to find it inside of your desktop. And if I change directory here, slash, that is like the actual computer. So even though it is showing here in the desktop, it's actually mounted 2 levels higher in your terminal. And that will be important if you are doing AI work. And if you're just looking to store data, just erase disk and you can change it right there. But that's pretty much all you need to know. Quick video today. I hope it's helpful for someone. Have a good day.